Hello and welcome everyone to Silver Asset of the Day for the 25th of March 2022, presented by myself, Phil Carr, at the Gold and Silver Club. So firstly, did you catch the slingshot move this week on gold? So what we talked you through on Tuesday's Gold Asset of the Day, that worked out exactly as we forecast and expected. So we talked you through the buying opportunity at the 1900 up towards that 1910 zone, and then later on in the week to look for a breakout back to 1950 to 1960. That has all played out. Essentially, that was a 500-point breakout to the upside since we put out Tuesday's video for you. So you're welcome, and I do hope that many of you managed to capitalize on that move. Of course, for every one lot contract that you would be trading, that's $5,000 of profit. For every 10 lot contract that you'd be trading, that's $50,000 of profit on just the one trade there on gold. We actually went on this week to bank 4,900 points profit with our clients at the Gold and Silver Club by building into a number of metal positions and also energy positions as well. So with that analysis that we called absolutely spot on, let's just go back and rewatch Tuesday's exact forecast of those levels for you. Now, as it relates specifically to gold, over this week, I'm actually looking at a range of support down to 1900 to 1910. On Tuesday, we executed another position at the lower end of that range, looking for a bounce later on this week back towards the 1950 level. So let me repeat that for you. Over this week, I'm looking for further accumulation between 1900 up towards that 1910 zone. Then essentially, I'm looking for a bounce back towards the 1950 and 1960 zone. So as you can see there, not only did we remind you once, but twice in terms of the exact expectations over this week. So yet again, well done for everybody who capitalized on that 500-point breakout this week on gold. As we've mentioned to you on multiple occasions, do not waste a good commodities super cycle here. If you really want to upgrade your income, you do need to upgrade your skills. This is where you need to be utilizing market intelligence, data, and statistics to really give you that edge so you can be very precise with your entries and with your exits in the market. So you can imagine with the breakout that we've seen this week to our exact zones here with gold breaking out to 1,960 US dollars per ounce. We banked a nice windfall amount of profit. And now as we get towards the end of this week and then into next week, again, be mindful that we've got the end of the quarter. So what I would expect going into next week would be profit taking and potential outflows at the end of the month, at the end of the quarter, again, setting up for some massive opportunities then as we go into Friday's non-farm payroll data, which is also the start of a new quarter as we move into the 1st of April. Over the course of the last 24 hours, silver prices, they broke out 2% to the upside alongside gold, platinum, and also palladium prices as well. We've seen 27 commodities over the course of this cycle, all breaking out to all-time highs as we continue to go through the commodity super cycle where we have inflation running hot at 40-year highs. The Federal Reserve last week, they increased interest rates for the first time since the pandemic. All of this has provided a perfect environment for that slingshot breakout on commodities. Energy prices in the last week, they're up over 20%. We've banked with our clients over 2 trades on energies, over 4,000 points profit in the last week, trades that we talked you through last week that we executed with our clients after the FOMC statement. Oil prices at that point, they were trading at $94 per barrel. This week, they're broken out to 120 US dollars per barrel just within the matter of 1 week. We've now got natural gas prices breaking back out to multi-month highs as well as we continue to follow through with this commodity super cycle. So absolutely, you do not want to miss out on the opportunities that we have right now. If you want to upgrade your income, you need to upgrade your skills. This is where you want to be utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence. Alongside that, utilizing the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market, understand the key cycles for each commodity, the daily, the weekly, the monthly, the quarterly cycles. Alongside that, the key areas of liquidity and of course capital flows in the market, and then learn and understand how the hedge funds, money managers, banks and institutions are positioned in the market. That will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to make an application to join our professional mentorship program.